All right, Livy. Now reporting, Olivia is at the dog swimming spot.
Next time we should bring. You guys should bring water soon. Right now,
Yeah, it's kind of painful, right?
really hurting.
Molly.
Here's one thing you'll need.
Well, there, her stick's over there, hung up in the weeds. Yeah.
Where, Daddy?
Molly, come on. Molly, come up. Yeah, the whole dog party here. Oh man, why always by the shoes? Molly, get the stick. Molly, go get it. Throw it for her, Livy. Livy, throw it. Molly. Molly, come here. Molly, come. All right, Livy, throw it for her. She's looking. Don't throw it at her. Or don't throw it at anybody else. Right here, Molly. The only problem with the stick is that she swallows like reaching with water. Hey, leave it. All right, there we go. Stick time. Molly, you went right past it. Molly, it went downstream. Forget it. It's gone. I appreciate how you always come back to me and shake. That's great.
Oh gosh, Elvis.
All right.
You're a baby squeak.
Well, we didn't know this was going to be such a popular spot for the dogs, huh? Oh, Molly, you stole his stick? Drop it. Drop it. Molly, leave it. Leave it. Molly, leave it. Here. All right, boys.
Is that Molly's?
That's his stick.
Molly, give it here. I'll
And Molly, drop it.
Elvis, come.
Hey! No!
Hey.
No!
All right, you going to throw it?
Yeah.
All right.
Go. Elvis. Casey.
All right. I don't know how you're getting in my truck. I didn't bring a towel.
All right, Casey's falling.